In this video, I'm gonna show you a way to model winery like this one in 3ds Max and Corona. I started by separating the post and grapevine models and certifying the pivot point at the base of each model. I also created a terrain with some hills that cover an area of 100 by 100 meters. Then, at the top view, I created a plane slightly smaller than our terrain. I moved this plane above the terrain and added segments in a way that each segment is 3 meters away from each other. On compound objects, I applied conform modifier on our plane and activated the copy mode, use active viewport, and hide wrap2 object. I clicked on pick wrap2 object and at the top view I picked the terrain. As you can see now our plane has the same contours of our terrain. I converted our plane to an editable poly. I selected a vertical segment using the top view and clicked on ring in order to select all vertical segments. Then I created a shape from selection using linear shape type. I deleted the original plane, leaving only the shape created following the contours from our terrain. After that, I created a chaos scatter for our winery posts. I selected the shape created as a target and the post as instanced model. I changed the scattering from 2D to 1D on splines. I used 250 cm as spacing on spline scattering, enabled camera clipping in order to save memory. In translation, I set X from 60 to 60 cm, rotation on Z from 0 to 0, and set normal versus Z to 1. By using the interactive rendering, we can check the posts created following our terrain. Then I created new chaos scatter for our grapevines. I selected the same shape as target and the grapevine models as instanced models. I changed scattering to 1D on splines, spacing of 125 cm, enabled camera clipping, rotation on Z from 0 to 180, set normal versus Z to 1, and scaled from 100 to 110. As you can see, the grapevines are following our terrain, 3 meters away from each segment, and separated by the posts.